So here is my bedroom. This is what it looks like. A lot of bunk beds, cool fireplace, and so far my favorite spot, this window. This is my bed. Already cleaned it. First one here with a beautiful view. There, beautiful sunny day. Let's see if I can look out here. And my view out this window. I am excited to be here. Yeah, and I'll let you know how things go, I guess. Here's one last look at the room and my bed. Oh my goodness.
Caramel daisy, won't you choose quickly, full of thought and wisely, and lead home, leaving no room to roam. A split path, and where is it going? Steady ticks keep us from slowing what lay down.
Something bright reflected from his chest with such intensity that the boy was momentarily blinded. With a movement that was too quick for someone his age, the man covered whatever it was with his cape. When his vision returned to normal, the boy was able to read what the old man had written in the sand. This is awesome. There in the sand of the plaza of that small city, the boy read the names of his father and mother and the name of the seminary he had attended. He read the name of the merchant's daughter, which he hadn't even known, and read things he had never told anyone. That's really cool. I never even seen that before.
There are some good climbing trees. That one's pretty good too.
Thank you.
Right.
we don't know.
Yeah. No, it's all right. It's no, it's no worries. Yeah, I have a large umbrella, but